Appeals court upholds a temporary stop to Oklahoma's ban on Sharia law. Voters overwhelmingly passed that constitutional amendment in November 2010, but it still hasn't gone into effect because of a fierce court battle. News on 6 reporter Lacey Lowry has the new developments for us here at 10 o'clock. Lacey.
Scott, the amendment bans state courts from considering international and Islamic or Sharia law when deciding cases. The man suing the state says Oklahomans were asked to vote on something that was unconstitutional.
We're satisfied with the ruling. It was expected.
Muneer Awad has been fighting for this day for more than a year, and the fight's not over.
We're just hopeful that we can carry the momentum to continue to show politicians that this type of legislation that targets religious minorities, is unconstitutional.
Awad is the executive director of the Council on American-Islamic Relations in Oklahoma. He filed a lawsuit that claims banning Sharia law targets Muslims.
It demonized Muslims by saying they are somehow a unique threat to the state of Oklahoma. The law says that on its face.
Because of Awad's lawsuit, the law never took effect. A federal appeals court in Colorado agreed the law should be put on hold while a lower court decides whether it's constitutional. 70% of Oklahoma voters approved the constitutional amendment. In the ruling, the court admitted federal courts should be wary of interfering with the voting process, but it is always in the public interest to prevent the violation of a party's constitutional rights.
The First Amendment is not up for a vote, whether it's 70% or 90%.
The court concluded Awad made a strong case that the amendment exposes him and other Muslims in Oklahoma to discrimination. It also says he could potentially win his lawsuit to permanently stop the law. Oklahoma Attorney General Scott Pruitt released a statement today saying, quote, "My office will continue to defend the state in this matter and proceed with the merits of the case. We also called Senator Anthony Sykes, who authored the bill, and he did not call us back." Lacey Lowry, News on 6 tonight.